Hi guys, welcome to Hardware Info channel. Today I have TCL 505 and I want to show you how to fix the problem when your games or application are not visible on your Google Play Store as in my situation. As you have the same situation, you search your game, but it isn't visible, we must go back to the main menu of our smartphone and tap on our photo on the right corner. There, Settings, Family and Parental Control. Now we have page 3, two visible games or application as Mobile Legends games, Call of Duty or something like that. We need more than page 3. To change it we press there. Now we must enter connect pin to our parental control and there change it from page 3 to page 16, confirm by understood, and save. We can also turn off our parental control by switch off. And that's all. We can go back and try install our Mobile Legends again, which is visible right now, and we can do it.